Mara woke up with a start. Oh no, the sun was shining brightly on her face. She looked at her alarm clock. She was not going to make it to school. She hurriedly put on her uniform, gathered her things, and dumped them into her bag. She rushed so that she could be in school before the bell rang. As she was going out the door, her mother stopped her and asked, "Why are you rushing? Did you forget? It's Saturday today."